Wait, you want to hold it? But they can't see you. Your arms are too short. Here.
Wait, hold up this first.
Hold it right here.
Talk now.
Hey, just let you Pearce today we're at the
Apple store.
And today, Mom and Dad can get the phones back because they were fixing it, and Dad's phone has a big line.
Okay.
Y'all heard it first. Courtesy of Zoe.
Yeah, she wanted to put her 2 cents in, you feel me?
Taxi, a Stingah Tee. Engine a rev me foot pan the gas. One direction, me heading to the top. Can't hold me down, Father God take the track. Get a use, no make the pagan set the trap. For the area, me not take the foot off the gas. Press me a press for the area. Me not take the foot off the gas. Press me a press. Mind for me money for me mind. Kids a feet, everything no stay fine. For the area, me not take the foot off the gas. Press me a press.
Hi to Flashy family, it's your girl Patra.
And you know it's your boy Stingah Tee.
And
Zoe, too flashy, I'm tired.
you're tired? Aww. And Zayla. Hi. So, right now, that's my seatbelt. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Right now we're heading to the Apple store. So y'all seen a video about a month ago. Yeah, I know it's been a while since we posted that video that Babe's phone was messed up. It's still messed up.
Yep.
And my phone is not messed up, but the X has a little problem or issue or whatever where there's something wrong with the touch, and I've seen it. You know, my touch is not, it doesn't respond when it's supposed to, all the other good stuff or whatever. So we're about to go get our phones fixed today. And well, finally we're about to go get them fixed.
Yeah, after each time we needed an appointment, it's like we couldn't get one, so we just had to wait.
No, there were appointments, we were just too damn busy. You know, we both went back to work, the kids got to go to school, all this stuff. It's just been so busy and hectic and hard to get to, you know, get to the Apple store. The Apple store is about 30 minutes away from our house, and yeah, we could get it fixed other places, but I'd rather go to the Apple store, you know what I mean? Because they are the official dealer, so we want to make sure we get it fixed right the first time and not have to worry about it.
So remember to like, subscribe, share, turn the notifications on so you guys can be updated when we post new videos. So let's go on that journey.
And it's raining today, guys, so it's so icky outside. I hate when it rains.
We gotta take our time.
It's not the end of the world, but I really do hate when it rains. If I have to go somewhere, if I don't have anywhere to go, I don't mind, because I like being at home.
Cuddle up.
Cuddled up.
Yeah, cuddle time, you know? Cuddle. Hey guys. Yeah, so we just arrived
To the Apple store.
Right, baby?
Yeah, we're late.
Oh my gosh, yes, fuck up.
That's why I told you. Look at us, we have 2 heads.
Zoe's phone?
You can turn this in.
Hey Zoe.
Can I take this off?
Your head is cold? Say hi to 2 Flashy family.
She's tired.
There she is.
Say hello. Hey, baby.
She's smiling. Hi to the family. Guys, I'm here. We're here.
At least they didn't tell us no. We're late, like a whole 40 minutes late.
I know traffic is the reason why we're late.
Traffic and rain.
Okay, wait, baby. Yeah, big line. Big line in my phone. I'm so disappointed. But let's hope everything goes well as how we plan.
I know my phone's getting fixed.
So you guys will hear from us in a little bit. I was just waiting on them to come and sign us in and things like that. So see how those goes. Hey baby. Cutie. Alright, so just dropped our phones off to Apple.
Yeah.
It's now being fixed. So we got about what, an hour?
Hour and a half. Something like that.
About an hour and a half to pick it back up. So
because my phone is 20 minutes later than yours.
where's Zoe? Oh hey. Yeah, so we're about to get something to eat.
Huh?
You want what? Hmm?
Charley. This is stuff.
Yeah, I want Charley to. Sailor! Hey baby! What's up?
Oh, we're gonna go downstairs.
She is tired. I think she's hungry. Not sure. She has a little more time before her next feeding, but I think I'm gonna feed her a little earlier. Right, Zayla? Zayla?
So then we gotta go that way and then go down.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, Zozo.
Alright, so now we're approaching Charley's. Where we going, baby? Charley's. Gotta get some. Get a sandwich. Sandwich time.
Stella, are you hungry? We're all hungry. Are you hungry?
Take your finger out your mouth.
Did she just hit you?
Don't hit me with your wet hand.
Hey. Hey, girly. Hey, girly. Zoe, you're gonna get your pizza.
Yeah, it actually tastes good.
It actually tastes good. And you have your water right there.
But it's not even open.
Open this. Zayla's gonna get food.
It's time Zayla to eat.
Look at her, sucking on her finger. The way how the Apple store is busy, you would think it's busy in the mall.
Yep.
You like your pizza? Okay. You hungry?
But the cold water.
And the cold water?
So, there it is. Lunch is served. Zayla, of course.
Tastes good.
So you going in on that pizza?
Taste good?
Maybe get some ketchup from over there.
Alright, so what you got right there, baby? This is
It's a
yours?
Philly cheesesteak.
Philly cheese
And they
steak.
add bacon.
Okay, and regular fries. I got the chicken teriyaki with bacon, but I forgot to tell them put the cheese on it, but I'm gonna have to scrape that off.
That's a lot of cheese for real.
I know.
Especially since you don't like cheese. Baby, can you get some salt and pepper and ketchup?
I'm gonna go get that. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in, right?
It's about to go down.
Oh,
Stella, Daddy takes care of you wherever we go, right? All done. Thanks, Daddy.
that was a mission, girl.
I know. I hope you're done.
Heavy load.
Are you done?
Yes, y'all shouldn't have fed me.
Are you done? Are you done?
They cannot hear that.
Her pasties in her bag, baby.
Yeah, we're here. Patrick went to go use the bathroom. I'm gonna see what the baby is. Say hi to the family. Say hi to the family. Yes, how we say. Too flashy. Now we gotta go get the phones.
Gotta go get the find those babies. You know, clothes are like a baby.
Yes, it is.
Finally, your clothes gonna be back to normal, babe.
Really, really, really. Because you know, without your phone, you're crippled. Like you can't function.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm digging. I'm doing like this, trying to figure out.
I don't have a watch on, so I don't even know what time it is. He does.
Yes, approximately 6:47.
Even if I had a watch on, it probably would be dead.
All right, so I see y'all at the Apple store. All right, let's go. So we're back. We're back here at the Apple store. About to get the phones now. Finally. Zoe, you ready to see my new phone? Hey, you ready for your phone?
Hey, yeah, she said go all the way to the back and to the door and left.
All right.
Wait.
You want to hold it? But they can't see you. Your arms are too short. Here.
Wait, pull up this one.
Hold it right here.
Talk now.
Hey, just let you Pearce. Today we're at the
Apple store.
And today, Mom and Dad can get the phones back because they were fixing it, and Dad's phone has a big line.
Okay.
Y'all heard it first. Courtesy of Zoe.
Yeah, she wanted to put her 2 cents in, you feel me? Yeah, man, we're about to get our phone.
Got a new phone and they don't know how to act.
Phone.
Yeah, I got a new phone and I gotta act right.
You got a new phone, got a new screen and don't know how to act.
Yeah, I just did.
I don't know. Press 1 or PL. So guys.
Yes, we're home.
We just made it home. I'm tired.
I'm super tired right now. Jesus Christ.
Zoe, are you tired?
Yeah, she's running around.
I'm fine.
You're fine.
I just want some of Mom's candy.
That's because you've been eating too much candy. You don't need no more candy.
I like candy, just like I just love candy so much.
Oh my gosh.
Zayla good and knocked out.
And Zilla's over here trying to go to sleep. Hey, can we?
Cover in the hand.
I need to change
Get
your
your finger
clothes.
out your mouth, girl.
Oh, look at that smile. Well, I hope you guys had a wonderful day.
Yes.
We're gonna call it a night.
It was fun having y'all with us.
Yes, it was.
Definitely.
Anyways, thanks for rocking with us. Make sure you like, share,
Subscribe.
and turn your notifications on.
Yes, and leave your 2 cents in the comments.
Yeah.
So we all say,
Too flashy.